Good afternoon. Today, my seminar presentation topic is Application of IoT in Agriculture. The contents are Introduction to IoT, Components and Working of IoT, Applications of IoT, What is Smart Farming, IoT in Smart Farming, Major Applications in Smart Farming, Equipments and Technologies used in farming, and Benefits of IoT in Agriculture. IoT means Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices and digital machines. It has the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. So, we don't require any human to human or human to computer interaction. Simply the sensor receives data, sends the data from the environment, and then actuators are used to take the action on that coming data. Now, coming to the components of IoT, we have four particular components. They are devices, communication, storage and consolidation, then information portal. Devices. In devices, sensors gather the information at a point of activity. It could be biological, environmental, virtual, or any combination of these. Next is communication. Communication channel like Wi-Fi, cellular network, in combination with short-range capabilities like Bluetooth, NFCs, etc. communicates the sensed data to the stored space. Data storage and consolidation. It talks about the information gathered by all the sensors. Next is information portal. Information portal talks about the end user of the product, the consumer or commercial user or just the machine. Next, then we will talk about the applications of IoT. IoT have many applications like it can be used in smart car, wearables, smart appliances like smart fridge, smart buildings for security purpose, then smart TV, smart farming, smart health, smart city, smartphone, etc. Then what is smart farming? Smart farming is a farming management concept using modern technology to increase the quantity and quality of agricultural products. Farmers in the 21st century have access to GPS, soil scanning, data management, and Internet of Things technologies. As we can see in the diagram, sensing technologies, software applications, communication systems and cellular, then telematics positioning technologies, hardware and software systems, and data analytic solutions. So what happens is there are technologies which use to sense the data from the environment software. An application acts as the interface and communication is done between the mobile and the sensor and actuators. Then positioning is what? How to position those devices. Hardware and software are used to data analytics. Then the data is collected and analyzed and the solutions are made for the problem. Then how this whole process works? We can see here there are three main things. They are sensors and actuators and others. Others are trons and cameras, etc. First, what are sensors? Sensors are used to sense the data from the environment like light, motion sensor, soil moisture and weather conditions like what is the temperature, humidity, wind and rain. Then what actuators do is they send signals that can be light signal, electric switches, electric valves, etc. Then what is RFID tags for animal identification monitoring? These are used for tracking animals and monitoring other things like drones and cameras. Next, major applications of smart farming. First application is soil sampling and mapping. It is the first step examination of obtained field specific information which is then further used to make various critical decisions at different stages. The main objective of soil analytics is to determine the nutrient status of the field so that measures can be taken accordingly when nutrient deficiency occur. Next is smart irrigation. In smart irrigation, there are various controlled irrigation methods like drip irrigation, sprinkle irrigation are being prompted to tackle water-based issues. The current situation of irrigation method is expected to be changed by adopting the IoT technologies. A significant increase in crop efficiency is expected to IoT based technologies such as crop water stress index based irrigation management. Then, next is control use of fertilizers in IoT based intelligent devices such as wireless sensors align the route to splash pesticides. IoT pest management provide real-time monitoring and disease forecasting, hence providing more effective. Generally, the reliability of crop disease monitoring and pest management depends on three aspects, that is sensing, evaluating and treatment. Crop disease and pest management. These are also done using drones as well as can analyze the data and yield the product. Next, equipments and technologies used in IoT farming. So, the first is wireless sensors. Among all the equipments on smart farming currently available in the market, wireless sensors are the most usual and play a key role when it comes to collecting the crop conditions. Next is IoT based tractors. We have some IoT based tractors which can be used with advancement of technology. Most of the manufacturers are offering tractors with automatic driven and even cloud computing capabilities which is used in IoT. Benefits of IoT in agriculture. Tons of data is collected by smart farm agriculture using sensors. Better control over the internal process and thus results in lower production risks. Cost management and waste reduction thanks to the increased control over the production. Increased business efficiency is achieved through process automation and the product will have enhanced quality and volumes. Thank you.